What's the difference between covert persuasion and persuasion? Hi, my name is Pancho Marotra and I help salespeople use psychology to influence and negotiate deals. Some definitions. Covert equals hidden. Persuade is to cause someone to do something by means of an argument or reasoning and to help someone believe something. Picture Spock doing a mind meld. He is aligning his way of thinking to the other person. He understands how they feel, how they think, their beliefs, and most importantly, their memories. In quadrant 4, when you understand people's motive, you understand people's motivations. Influence a mind to experience the emotion already exists. This is one of the key differences between traditional sales and persuasion. Why it's important to understand this is because people don't think in a linear process. Once I became aware of this, you can read people's signals really easily. And after a while, people start to behave in a very predictable way. That's when it becomes fun, especially in sales. I often found that following a script didn't lead to a great increase in sales. You just worked harder. You have to learn to change existing processes, tinker, and try new things. I learned this important lesson in my first sales job a long time ago, selling door-to-door insurance in my 20s. My sales manager never followed the scripts that were taught. He said to me, Pancho, scripts are just a guide. Learn to trust your intuition. What are you feeling? What are you sensing? Learn to use that information. Never look back after that piece of advice. Second advice, he said, try and figure out with what you're saying, what does it mean to the client? Third bit of advice, don't sell, serve instead.